How can I prove my child's age to Apple so that they can update the age on their Apple ID?
In this video, we'll go over the steps to prove your child's age to Apple so they can update the age on their Apple ID. This is important to ensure that your child has access to appropriate content and features based on their age.
Why do I need to prove my child's age?
Apple requires age verification to ensure that users are accessing age-appropriate content and services. By providing proof of your child's age, you can help Apple maintain a safe and secure environment for your child. Bold. Age verification is essential for age-appropriate content and services.
What documents can I use as proof of age?
You can use any government-issued identification that clearly shows your child's date of birth. Examples include birth certificate, passport, national ID card. Bold. Government-issued ID with date of birth is required.
How can I submit the documents to Apple?
Follow these steps to submit the required documents. 1. Sign in to your child's Apple ID at appley.apple.com. 2. Click on the Support tab. 3. Select Account and Security. 4. Choose Account Information. 5. Select Submit Proof of Age. 6. Attach a scanned copy or a clear photo of the government-issued ID. 7. Submit the request. Bold. Submit the proof of age via the Apple ID website.
How long does it take for Apple to update my child's age?
Apple typically takes 1 to 2 business days to review the submitted documents and update your child's age on their Apple ID. You'll receive an email confirmation once the age has been updated. Bold. Allow 1 to 2 business days for age update.
What if I encounter issues during the process?
If you experience any issues while submitting the proof of age or if the age update is taking longer than expected, you can contact Apple support for assistance. Bold. Contact Apple support for help. By proving your child's age to Apple, you can ensure that they have access to age-appropriate content and services. Remember to use a government-issued ID with your child's date of birth and submit it through the Apple ID website. Allow 1 to 2 business days for the update and don't hesitate to contact Apple support if you need help.